Dear students, today we shall take first paragraph of the lesson, the last lesson composed by Alphonse Daudet. In this lesson, we shall see how one loves one's own language. So, Alphonse was born on May 13, 1814 at Nimes, France. His father's name was Vincent Daudet and his mother was Adeline Daudet. He was married to Julia Daudet and his main works are Les Amoureux, Les Petits Choux and Parterre de Trascon, Robert Helmont, Jack and some other works he wrote. He was passed away on December 16, 1997. Now let us see the paragraph. I started for school very late. I used for the narrator. Narrator began moving towards the school very late hours that morning and was in great dread. On that morning he started moving to school very late and was in great dread, and that means fearful. He was in much fear of a scolding. He was fearful that he would be scolded when he would reach to the school, especially because young Hamel had said that he would question us on participles. Main reason was his teacher M. Hamel told him that he would ask about participles. That was the main cause of his fear, and he was becoming late to reach to school. And I did not know the first word about them, and he did not know anything about participles. For a moment, I thought of running away and spending the days out of doors. For a moment, he thought of running away, to run away and not to go to school, and spending the day out of doors and to pass his day out of his house. So what did he think? He thought to pass his day out of house and not to go to school. It was so warm. Day was warm, pleasant, so bright. There was bright sunlight. The birds were chirping at the edge of the woods. At the corner of the wood, at the end of the forest, there were the chirping sound of birds. What was there? There was chirping sound of birds at the end of the forest. And in the open field back of the sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. And on that fine day, on that sunny day, in the open field back of the sawmill, at the back side of the sawmill, there was one of the field was open. Where was the field located? The field was located at the back side of sawmill, and the Prussian soldiers were drilling. And Prussian soldiers were practicing. Drilling means practicing. Where were they practicing? At the field that was located back to the sawmill. It was all much more tempting. It was much attracting to whom? To the narrator. Narrator was attracted towards the field, open field, and there was chirping of birds. It was a sunny day, and he was attracted towards the practicing of the soldiers of Prussian army. It was all much more tempting than the rule for participles. He took interest in all these things, in enjoying the sunny day, in enjoying and listening the sound of birds, and in seeing the practice of soldiers of Prussian army. Instead, he did not take interest in participles, but I had the strength to resist. But anyhow, he controlled himself. For what? To go to school and not to go to the open field. I had the strength, he had the power to resist, to stop himself, and hurried off to school, and quickly he went towards the school. I think this paragraph is clear to you. Now note down questions that you must attempt at your home. What was French expected to be prepared with for school that day? Next question, what were the Prussian soldiers doing? And last question, why did the narrator think of running away and spending the day out of doors? Thank you.